Hey, welcome to my first video. Okay, well, in this video, I'm just going to try and create some blueprints. So, wait, I can't be. Okay, so, wait, I am a character? Or, no, okay, so, I'm not a character, but I am a character. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, there. Gone. This is my first time playing creative mode. It's kind of weird what we start with. Or the reason I wanted to make this creative world and try and make blueprints was because of one of those screens on the back of the start, which were a solar farm or whatever it's called, and I wanted to make that. So I guess I can talk about why I am starting a YouTube channel. Um, well, there's not really a good reason, kinda. It's more like I just wanted to try it and see if maybe did want to watch me because, well, I love gaming and do it a lot, and if I can make other people happy watching me, then that's great. Of course, I'm not really expecting people to enjoy it. It's not like that, or anything. But I don't know. I mean, if people like it, then that's great. They gain something, and I mean, I'll have to start editing and stuff like that. But if it becomes something, then I don't think I'll mind editing since, well, I think it's kind of fun. I do have ADHD, which I don't know if that is why. But I'm not really good at talking or like sticking to one thing. Yeah, it's probably because of my ADHD. But yeah, I'm not really good at sticking to one thing when I'm talking. So how can I use this? Why won't the leader use armor? What if I wish to walk faster? What if I wish to have a personal robot instead of placing down this and giving it power every single time? Oh yeah, it probably uses a lot of power, doesn't it? I'll just probably explain what I'm thinking. Um, I talked quite a bit about other stuff now, but yeah. So now I just want to find what I mean. I guess I could just use one of those, or I could place down one of these. I believe these are. Also, what's annoying to me is that it has such a big thing. Like, it, I'm not placing that. It's just there. Why is there something here? There's nothing there. It's up in the air. Doesn't make sense. But that should be enough. Oh yeah, I need a chest, don't I? Seriously? Why don't they just yeah, no. Trash. Um they're not good. I'm just going to since the thing I want to do now is test the system. Like I guess I could just do the math. So these can output more than these, which is good. And what's something that uses a variable amount of, I guess, crafters do use some. Um, there. So yeah, this is probably a good solar relative. Um, First there it was a literal instant. Cause what else? I mean, what can I make a blueprint for now? Maybe like a smelter, a really effective smelter. I think I'll build it for one for each. So like start with this. Just an input output. I mean, I guess I should do that and have that. That looks okay. Goes in there, out there. I don't want that actually. I want to use this and like that. I have a mod that allows me to do that. And well, I guess since it's only three big, I'm not really good at talking or anything. This is probably the best I could do. Although I could make it another way. I could use this. Here it's before, and here it is on the start. So I would have to put it there, and then in there. No, that totally works, doesn't it? It works. What? So that does work. I like having a more compact version of it. Yeah, that works. I like having more compact versions of machines simply because I don't like the mess. Although I do not at all keep it clean, like in my room. So yeah, this does work. Although having it saved, I would have to. Well, I'd have to save it like this. Let's see. Uh, could I save it like that? I don't think so. No. Well, it's kind of hard to. Yeah, it's on the bottom of it, on the top there. So it's like that. And then, yeah, that looks good. I believe it was this. Yeah, that looks good. What's it called? Stone furnace. Stone furnace. Set contract. Stone. Stone furnace. Furnace. Furnace set. Yeah. It's not too great, but relative, so that when I can just do that. It's all the way, so that's good. I like that. I like that. And I don't really think I've talked that much, so this might not be a good video, and I do apologize. But you know, I'm just doing it for fun. So, yeah. But this is 3 tall, right? No, just 2. Whoa. But it's definitely, you see, it is indeed taller than it is broad, but broad, yeah, wide, but it doesn't care. Wait, so can't I just I believe I can just take this and change it. Yeah. Then I could just remove the furnace and say could have furnace in between. Although it is no, it isn't easier. It is better if I no, no, this just oh yeah no. This just works. So I don't need um these two. 2x2 furnace. Looks good. The last one is this is quite easy. It's just okay, let's see. I think well I can't do that, just that I can. But you know, it's a waste of time. I could do this. But yeah, there's I thought the reason I said no it doesn't work it's just isn't because it doesn't work. It's just because when I put it down and then I go for the next one, it places it down there again, so it places it there and there, which is in itself, which I just wanted to see if there's any reason to add the snapshot grid at relative so that it doesn't do that, which, yeah, if you didn't know, that is what it does. It makes it so that it snaps relative to where you placed it first. So if I place it here and I pull this way, it won't place this before here. So it won't like this. If I copy it and then do this, you can see it places so that this is the same, and it even overrides this, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, so it doesn't really matter. Do I have it? Yeah. So electric furnace setup, compact set for electric furnaces. There. What did I compact steel furnace, compact stone furnace setup. Um, compact. Boom, boom, boom. That's the wrong way. Better to be up, not opposite. Let's see. And now it goes better up. So now I can do this, and okay, I guess it's kind of weird. Yeah, it looks good. What else? I think that's the only thing I'd make. It looks good. I guess I can keep that. This is okay. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Blueprint book, compact furnace set, compact furnace setups for steel, electric, and stone furnaces. No. There. Although I wish to I guess this, yeah, looks fine. Let's go wall walls. Five by five walls with activated path around. Then I put this confirm. This is well this what's it called? 5 by 5 wall. 5 by 5 yeah. Yeah, looks good. Wait. Um thanks for watching. This has been me. Like I said, I just want to make YouTube videos because I usually play and record it and post it. Of course, I'll probably become more natural as time goes and stuff like that. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if you have any tips, please do come with them. Yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one if I do post another one. I'm not guaranteeing it.